What's up, guys? Welcome to StreetRidesTV. Making a quick video showing you guys the ambient lighting. And this is a 2018 Impala. Has it on the front doors as well as the dash. It doesn't have them in the back doors, which I thought was kind of odd. But it's actually built in the chrome. And this is a rental I rented for a couple weeks. And for those of you who are interested in how they look at night, this is pretty much how they look. If you have any questions or want to see anything else about this car, I also have one, a different model. I have the 2LT. I rented the LTZ for a couple weeks just to do videos and give my car a break pretty much. Got that beeping off. The beeping is pretty annoying. It's actually really loud compared to other cars, but I love this car. This car is an awesome model. So yeah, that's the ambient lighting. Hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at XavierSantos47. Peace and love. Peace.